What are you making, Maeve? You're making a poodle. All right, you show me. Twist it up.
There's the face. There's the neck. Okay. And then we'll make the legs. Alright, let's see. Does that look like a poodle face? Alright, now we'll make the back legs. Does it have a short body or long body? What? Short body? Okay. Alright, this is going to have a long tail. We'll make it like a poodle tail. How about that? And that way... Whoop, 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 whoop.
What have you made? It looks like a giant snake.